In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit PDFs and completely for free. So this is a new website which I recently come across and it's called pdfgear.com, and it's completely free to use and you don't even need to sign up, but we can read, edit, convert, merge and sign PDF files across all devices. Now if we go ahead and take a look at this, we can see all the features. So with AI, they have Chat PDF, they have AI PDF Editor and PDF Copilot. Their products are great for Windows, Mac and iOS, where we can edit and read with Edit PDF, Read PDF, compress, merge, crop, highlight, annotate, unlock and split. They do lots of conversions like PDF to Word, PDF to PNG, JPEG, Image, Excel, PPT, PPTX and PSD. We can also convert all these files as well, and they have a lot more just here. Now if we come on to solutions, we can edit, convert, merge, split, compress, organize, sign and create PDF forms. So depending on what you want to do with your PDF will depend on what feature that you actually use. Now if we scroll through this, we can see again all of these features. If we scroll down even more, they have the first AI powered PDF software. So PDF Gear makes PDF smarter using cutting edge AI technology to improve your working efficiency. We can also work with PDFs anywhere, so it can easily switch between desktop, web and mobile devices, and you can continue working with PDFs on the go. So again, it's great for Windows, Mac and your iPhone as well. So if you're looking for a free way to edit your PDFs, then come and check out pdfgear.com. I will link this down in the description below. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like and a subscribe, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.